So, you calling 911 like the way you did?
If you're not gonna get my dogs, let's get off my property.
You throw rocks? Are you throwing rocks at us?
Yep, I'm throwing rocks in my yard.
Come here. Throw rocks. Come here.
I didn't throw rocks.
On January 19th, 2024, deputies responded to a 911 call about a woman claiming her ex-boyfriend had taken her dogs. But as officers begin looking into the complaint, the call quickly takes an unexpected turn.
Are you calling me because they
Can you hang up the phone? Can you hang up the phone?
Do you need medical attention?
No.
She's advising no meds.
That is. Alright, thank you.
We're here. So how can we help you?
I don't need your shit. I need you to go get my dogs. No, you're not? Okay. Thank you.
Hold on a second.
No.
I want to explain something to you real quick, all right?
Hey.
So, you calling 911 like the way you did?
She expects deputies to get her dogs back immediately, but when they explain why they legally can't, the conversation starts going downhill fast.
She just slammed the door in our faces and told us to fuck off.
I reported my dogs. If you're not gonna get my dogs, let's get off my property.
I need to explain something to you.
I don't need you to
what
explain
you
shit
doing,
to
calling us the way you are,
If you want to
is
explain
a
something,
criminal
tell me,
offense.
Can you pass? Can you pass the test?
Pass what test?
Can you pass the test?
Pass any test, yes. What
I'm
test
sorry.
are you trying to
I'm
have me
sorry.
pass?
I'm sorry. Get off my property. You're not gonna get my dogs. Get the fuck off my property. My shit was stolen. I pay Nappy's vet bill.
I could explain some options for you.
I don't want options. I want my f***ing dog.
Okay.
And you're not gonna do that. So get the.
So you don't want to know the options that you have?
I don't have options. I want my dog.
Okay.
And you're not gonna get my dog. So please, just leave. Okay? You're not gonna get my dog?
So.
I don't care what you have to say. You're not gonna get my dog, right?
But you don't care what
that
I have to say.
That I paid for?
But you don't care what I said.
What do you have to say to me?
So.
What the f do you have to say to me?
So.
That I don't already know.
I don't think you do know, honestly, ma'am.
Oh my god. What? They know I'm black or something? Now you gotta send 5 of you?
Instead of listening, she keeps interrupting deputies and refuses to hear her legal options. With every outburst, she's pushing the situation closer to an arrest.
Get the f away from me.
Do you know?
You're not gonna get my dog? Get the f away from me. You aren't worth a
want you to
Go
do.
f***ing patrol some dumb spot. Go patrol Plum Coast like you have been. Go gang up on the f***ing city like you have been. Do your pointless f***ing work and don't do a goddamn thing for me because you're not gonna do shit for me.
Can I explain something?
I paid $3 grand for this f***ing dog and for my ex to come in and f***ing take him. You. No offense. You. Go f***ing post up.
Yep.
Get the f*** out of my yard. Nobody f***ing needs you. It's a civil matter that they can't even help. Get the f*** out my yard.
No, here's the deal. I'm
No! You bald you f***ing skinhead you Go gang up on somebody else, you racist Go post up. You work for me, you f***ing. This is what the f*** you do. You're a f***ing civil f***ing help. Get the f*** out of here. Get off my yard. Go post up. Go f***ing waste your time sitting somewhere else.
You're wasting my time
you
right
fat
now,
skinhead bitch. Over and over and over. You don't work for dispatch, you fat. You sit in a f***ing yard. Shut the f*** up. And get the what the fuck do you do? Do you answer phone calls? No. Get the fuck out of here. You're not needed. They have it under control. They have it well under control. Get the f out of here, you skin-headed, you short, you fat, you slow.
So,
You can't even pass a f***ing test. Go join the army. Go be in the f***ing reserves. But you can't do that. But you can't f***ing do that. That's why you already are. Get the f*** out of here. Nobody needs you. Nobody needs you.
So I'm gonna explain a couple things to you.
And go f***ing run my tags. Make sure you see me. Make sure you f***ing get me out there because you have nothing better to do. Get your bald-headed out of my... Get off my... No, shut up. Hold on one second.
Don't tell me to shut up.
Shut up. I can. Get off my f***ing property. All of you.
So...
Get off my f***ing property, you fat...
option you
You
have.
short little fat...
Look up on Google, okay? And
Shut up.
Misuse,
Get off my property.
Misuse of 911, which is a criminal offense. All right.
Get off my property.
And disorderly conduct.
Just when it looks like the call is finally over, she makes one more decision that changes everything. As deputies leave, she throws rocks toward them, turning what began as a simple 911 misuse investigation into criminal charges.
Then take recordings and send us and attach it to
It's not misuse, you dumb... My dog is gone! That I paid $3 grand for, he's f***ing gone!
Well, we tried.
So, you...
Look up disorderly conduct. Look up disorderly conduct. Look up
Get
disorderly
off my property!
Look up disorderly
Get
conduct.
the out!
Look up disorderly.
You, and you. Get the off!
Screaming
You
at us
think
isn't
you're
gonna
so
change
hot because you're f***ing man on my property? Get the out, you
You gotta let
go
them folks.
each
Yeah,
other.
Hope you
Go
find your...
each other.
Have a good night.
Go
Good luck finding your dog.
Fuck you.
Enjoy your night.
You throw rocks?
Are you throwing rocks at us?
Yep.
I threw rocks in my yard.
Come here.
Throw rocks.
Come here.
I didn't throw rocks. Get away from me! I didn't throw rocks at you!
You did.
No, I didn't!
Bring it
I
back.
threw rocks in my yard!
Now, stop
I
resisting.
threw rocks! Ow! Ow! I threw
Stop
rocks in my
resisting.
yard!
Stop resisting.
Ow!
Got one.
No! Look where the rocks went!
Stop resisting now.
I'm not
Under
resisting!
arrest.
Look where the rocks went!
Right at us.
No, you're lying!
Well, you definitely threw them at us.
No, my dog's in there alone, please.
Well,
I didn't. I
You
threw
did
them
yourself.
down.
you absolutely did.
Charlie, shoot your
No,
mouth.
because there's no. You know what? I have cameras. I have cameras in my front
That's
yard.
perfect.
I didn't throw rocks at you. I threw them down, and it's on my camera. So, fine. It's on my camera. You've done this before to my ex. I didn't. You know I didn't throw rocks at you. They didn't even touch you. You heard them, and you heard. My dog is in there. Please let me tell my mom.
Where's your mom?
She's in St. Augustine. Nobody is here. Nobody is here, and I threw them in the yard. It's on my camera.
Now we have that. We can tack on a Misuse now.
Oh yeah, we have that. We can back on you skinheaded. It's on my camera, and you. I can't. I threw the rocks in my... God, you dirty... you can't take me talking shit. You have to do this to me? I threw the rocks in my yard. I don't even...
Take a
Oh
seat.
no, my dog. I can't... My dog. My baby.
Come on, take a seat.
No, my baby. Okay, but my baby. I didn't. You know I didn't. Just like you know I didn't. It's this skinhead.
Put your feet in the car.
Nobody's even at. Nobody is
Come on.
here. I have to call. Please, I
You'll
don't.
have your chance to call. Get in the car.
No, I don't have any shoes. The jail's dirty. I
your shoes.
didn't do anything to you, and
Listen.
it's gonna come on camera.
Tonight-
We're gonna drag you in the car.
And you attacked
Come on.
my door.
If I have to pull you in this car, I will. But I don't want to.
But you, I
Put
know
your feet
because
in
you
the
know I did.
keep talking to you if you put your feet in the car.
Get that skinhead the out of here, you racist! You mother! Yeah, record me! You racist! And I threw rocks in my yard! Oh, you racist!
Have a seat in the car.
Have a seat in the car.
The only one making comments is you out here. You don't want making comments out here. Have a seat in the car.
I threw rocks in my yard and I'm allowed to do that.
Have a seat. Let's go. Car.
Investigators determined the dispute over the dogs was a civil matter after Ebony acknowledged she had previously allowed her ex-boyfriend to take them. In the end, Ebony was arrested and charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, misuse of the 911 system. What are your thoughts on this case? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned for more real-world police encounters.